Hey y'all, welcome back to the shop. Today we're gonna hopefully finish up this Sand Pro. I know I've been saying that the last couple videos, but with time restraints, getting parts, stuff like that, it's been a little rough. Plus, I'm trying to keep the videos shorter so that you guys stay interested and it makes it easier for me to edit. The last thing we have to do here is put the tins on. I do have the tins here. Got them the other day. So we're gonna slap the tins on this thing. Of course, I have had it running. You guys seen that? The oil change and everything's done. Carburetor works good. I just gotta put the carburetor adapter on. But first, I need to put the new choke cable on and get it cut to length and all that. So, you know, let's get on this. I'm gonna start out. Get the dash panel up here, the hood dash panel combo. Get the key put back in it. Get the throttle put back on it. Mount the hour meter and the amp meter on it. He did get me a new used amp meter off another machine. We're gonna get that all put on and everything, and hopefully we'll get this thing tidied up and buttoned up and out the door. So hang on, we'll be right back. Alright y'all, start putting the dash together there. I got the new choke cable on. This is the hour meter, got the amp meter, got the switch all mounted, throttle all mounted. I think all the wires are out of the way. So I think we're ready to, oh, that wire just popped off there. That's not good, but I'll pop it up. Woo! Anyways, I'll get this wire put back on. This is the hot wire that comes from the that actually feeds the switch. So I'll get that put back on there, and we'll get this thing flipped up over and bolted back down. All right, y'all. It's another day. I kind of got sidetracked last night and didn't get to putting these brackets here on. These are for the air cleaner. Go in these holes here. You can see where it mounts up right there. So let's go ahead and get those put on. Alright, there we go. I should be able to get my hand up in there now, hopefully. Sorry if I kicked you all again. I'll tell this thing, don't make me start swearing. The struggle is real, my brothers. The struggle is real. Should have put this on to begin with. I had it flipped up the other way. What do they say? Hindsight's always 20/20. All right, there's that one. Let's see if I can. I'd flip it up even more, pull it back up off, but I got the throttle cable already hooked up, and ain't a whole lot of slack in that. Alright, I'm going to shut y'all off because this might start involve to start swearing, and I don't want y'all to have to listen to that. So I'll bring y'all back whenever I get it that is all bolted on. All right, y'all. Got these brackets put on. Some of the words that were being flung around this shop probably would have made a sailor or a truck driver blush, but we got her. Got some new hardware for the front here. Hold this front piece down. I just couldn't see putting that old stuff back in there. This nice new paint job here. This is actually bed liner or tough coat. It's got a nice little texture to it. Kind of digging the colors. So, all right, front part's all bolted on. These are all bolted on. We'll throw the air cleaner housing on there after we get around to the other side there. But you know, like I said, it just slides right in there. So we'll get that and probably move around the other side there and finish the I did take the throttle linkage back loose to get this up higher. We'll rehook up the throttle linkage, choke linkage, put that air cleaner adapter on now, and get ready to drop the center section on. Get the camera moved around here for y'all can see, and bring you right back. All right, y'all. Got that throttle cable hooked up. Everything here. It's all hooked back up into the linkage here. It's good to go. It's adjusted. Next, we need to cut this choke cable to length. I'm going to show you all how I do that. I'll bring it up here. We'll put a little slack in it there. And I'll hold it there like that. And then I'll put a little piece of duct tape around it right there. Just something to mark the length that I need. And then this is a cut to length cable, so I got about roughly 3 feet to 2 feet to cut off. So I'm going to pull up on this cable here. I can pull that center cable out. And I'm going to come over here with a pair of side cutters. Kind of open it up a little bit. Make sure that inner cable is past my cut mark. There it goes. That's my cut mark. What I did there is I just kind of opened it up a little bit if I could see down in it. And then get my side cutters in there, snap her off. Now I'll save that outer housing there. And there's my cable back out. I'll grab a hold of that, push it all the way back down in. There we go. And we got to cut the inner portion there to length. I'm going to make it just a little bit long. So, there we go. There's that. Alright, y'all. I got to put a Z-bend on the end of this. And I know a lot of you guys that do the small engine work and stuff, y'all got the Z-bender tool. I found this one a while back. And I really enjoy it. It's a pair of cutters. If y'all can see there, it's got a Z-bend bent right in it. All you gotta do, put your cable in there. I line it up with the end of the pliers there. Give it a crimp. There you go. There's your Z-bend right in there. Not a, you know, nice and easy. No more trying to get that thing flipped around, moved around. I've used it many times on old cables, new cables. So now I'm struggling with that. Trying not to cut myself or hurt myself. Knocking stuff all around here. There we go. Got that popped out of the way. That's this little holder. We're going to put this through this hole in the choke lever. There you go. Okay. Now this one here works backwards, so we're going to put it up like that. Bring our little clippy thing over here. Snap that on. And there the choke's open. Choke's closed. So looks like I might need to adjust it just a little bit more here so it bottoms out a little better, but yeah. There you go. Works good. Next thing, we're going to put this air cleaner adapter on. And I did make the bolt, did make a new bolt for it. I couldn't find one, you know, relatively easy, so I just threaded the nut on there, put a little spot weld on the end, made like a kind of an acorn looking like top on it, but it'll work. Get this other bolt put back in there. Can't find the hole. That's what she said. But alright. Got a little gasket here we're going to put on. And we're going to thread this thing in here. There's that one started. There's that one started. There's that one started. So, alright. Alright guys, I'm going to grab me a wrench here and tighten that up. Don't ask me why, but these are metric threads in here. I've never known the Kohlers to have the metric threads, but you know, it is what it is. Let me find my little socket here somewhere. I don't know what to do with it. Alright, I'll bring you back when I find that, guys. Alright, y'all. Last thing we put the air cleaner on. Got that all hooked up. Put this side cover piece here on. Got the 2 bolts in it. This is for the hydraulics to lift and lower the center drag gear. Last piece of the puzzle, other than the steering wheel, is we got to put this center cover on. I got it sitting over here. I'll grab that and we'll get that dropped down on. Alright guys, there it is. Got that centerpiece all put on. We'll fold the seat down. They actually added a nice piece of rubber here for the seat to sit on like that. So there we got it. You know, I think the thing looks pretty good. You know, got the red and the black here. I think they're going to paint the frame and stuff black, kind of to get it to blend in. But that's on them. It's not my job. They said they'd take care of it, so I'll shut the camera down here. We'll do a quick walk around, show you it from all angles, and we'll call this job done. Alright y'all, we got the all the tins on. Give you guys a little walk around here. Got that air cleaner put on there. Got the new element put in it. Got the housing put in it. Or mounted up on it. Got it all hooked up. There's a new fuel tank. All mounted, ready to go. Got the battery there going. So, alright. See if I can give you guys a wide shot here of it. What it looks like now. So, if you guys remember, that thing was all red. Like I said, I think it's going to look really good once they get finished getting the frame and stuff all painted black. So, alright. There you have it, guys. Alright guys, that'll do it for this Toro Sand Pro. We got it all serviced, got the oil change, the spark plug points, changed the condenser on it. We put a new air filter on it, new hydraulic filter on it, put a new carburetor on it, got all that done, got it all adapted and everything, got it all plumbed right and everything, put that new choke cable in there, and the owner of the machine actually got all the tins painted real nice. Coated with that bed liner, it looks sharp as heck. I think we said put that fuel tank on there, made the brackets for that. Appreciate you all hanging out and sticking around for this long for this, part 5 I think this one is. Appreciate y'all. Thanks for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, like these videos, please hit that bell, and subscribe and get all the notifications for all the videos we do. Don't forget about my weekly Sunday live stream at 7 p.m. Sunday nights. My cooking videos I put out, quick easy meals. Put those out on Wednesdays, and catch me on all the other, some of the other live streams I go on with some of the other guys from the small engine community here. Check out my buddy Twisted V-Twin Garage, Mark. Check out Tampa Boys Customs. Go-karts are going fishing. Check out Fat Buddy Cat, really cool guy, doing a lot of good work with some of them Predator motors. Guy's phenomenal on them. Dirtfoot Racing, him and Tampa Boy Customs, they do mini bike racing. Dirtfoot is a phenomenal fabricator and everything, great racer. Check out everybody. Really appreciate y'all stopping by and hanging out with me. We'll catch you all on the next one. Bye.